Australia veil. The Guangzhou veil, and you can see our veil. The showroom in here. This is our veil shop, the showroom. So this is 20 feet upper cabin. You can see next. We can go around to see that. This is the one windows. And then the back side. Whole units pre-assembled. Also with this one is for the electricity, and then this one is for the pumping. You can see that's for pumping. Let's go inside. See next. Not on the veil have many clients coming here. Next. You can see next. This is the wall cabinet, and then this back is foldable back. Okay. Okay, close. Take close or put down. Close have the most bags. And see this. This is the stores cabinet. And then this one kitchen cabinet here. Okay, you can see this. This is the bathroom inside. Has the kitchen cabinet. And also the toy. That all made on fiberglasses. The toys. Okay, you can see this. This is the shower room. The shower. And then the curtain. Right here.